Last time at Challenge Night, we made someone wear a weight vest for the feature race. I'm sure everyone watching had the same thought that I did. That looks like fun. So I brought my weight vest to Challenge Night, ready to do it for the whole night. And then they told us what the race format was going to be. Endurance racing. So I did what any rational person would do. I put on the weight vest. As for how this night goes, we split into two different groups for racing. As soon as one race finished, the other one fired right off. And for the start of the next race, what we did is however you finished the previous race, that is how you started single file in the next one. So by the end of the night, this is going to feel like one gigantic race. Here are the highlights and lowlights of how the night went.
Oh boy, I'll tell you what. I am already feeling the weight vest. Oh, my seat went backwards. Is that better or worse for me? I don't know. There goes my seat again. That's good. All right, there goes my seat for a fourth time. I am so far back now. Oh God, I can't get the seat up. Oh no, I have to lay down to drive. Oh no, what a disaster. All right, boys. All right, boys. All right, boys. Okay, boys. Okay, great. Good. Good. Bro. We're gonna get the whole weight back. That ain't gonna work, brother. That ain't gonna work, brother. I'll tell you what, the weight vest is not too bad now that I have adjusted the back of it. I think I can go for a while. Status report, not too shabby at the moment, is my current status report. I can tell my back is starting to feel it. This thing has a noise. The gas pedal is crunchy. It's stuck. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be a nightmare. This might be the one that saps my endurance the most, to be honest. Bro, that move don't work. Man, it's making a lot of noise. All right, we gotta try to make a move somewhere. Get in there, get in there, get in there, get in there, get in there. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh my gosh, this car is really, really hard to drive. Oh my God. Too much speed, too much speed. All right, go ahead, Dennis, go on, bud, get in there, get in there. You had the inside, I'm not taking it from you. And right now I am struggling. Weight vest status. We're kind of feeling it. Let's go! Let's go! Let's get in there, boys! That's what's up! Incidents! Oh, okay, back is starting to feel it now. If I can survive with like only experiencing like the bad effects of the weight vest near the end of the race, that's not going to be so bad. I can handle doing that, I think. If I start to feel the effects at the beginning of the race, that's when we're going to be in trouble. That's for sure.
3 races in, and after that kart, really starting to feel it. We're starting to struggle a little bit. Glad to be out of that kart. Happy I get to move on to a different kart for this race.
I can't believe I got this same kart 2 races in a row. Yeah, this direction is the hardest one for me with the weight vest for sure. Oh my gosh, the stuck gas pedal. Mutual respect, Dennis. Mutual respect. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, no, Dave. Where do you think you're going? Bro! Ah, Jesus! Damn it, Schmitz! Sorry, Dennis, that wasn't... Oh my gosh, guys! Oh no, Schmitz! Look what you've done! Oh my God! It's annoying when, like, the thing is, like, he made the move, he didn't gain any places, and I have now lost 3 places because of his bad move. That's so annoying.
All right, well, now I'm happy to be out of that kart. Things were actually starting to look up for once that night. I was in position. I was, starting to get into the lead pack, and then, well, you saw what happened. Anyways, we're almost there. It's time for the last race. We're combining all of the racers into one gigantic heat. So we have a huge 20-person race. I, for some reason, got confused at the beginning of this race why we were starting single file, even though it's what we did literally the entire night. So ignore my confusion.
Wait, we're going now? Wait, what? We're going single file? What? What, are you kidding? Single file? Alright, well, we're in the feature race. We have literally every person who was involved in league night, or challenge night, in the same race. So we have that was 17 people, and then we also have 3 employees added, so we have 20 people in this race, I'm pretty sure. It's the craziest thing in the world. And then this is the culmination of all the endurance racing. I still have the weight vest on because I'm not giving up now, even though it is a little hard. So we'll do our best, huh? I did hear that this kart may be down on power or losing power, one of the two things. So it is possible I run out of power and have to quit this race at some point. We'll see. We'll see how that goes, huh? Get in there, Dennis. Oh, Dennis. Oh boy, you're lucky the kart's a tiny bit slower. I would have had you there. There's so many headlights behind me, it's crazy. There's so many people back there. What a crazy race. Oh no, I blew that one. My fault. It's okay, didn't lose a spot. Slightly pulling away. Slightly. Yep, even with the weight vest, we're still doing okay. It's just a lot harder than normal. That's for sure. It is a lot. Oh my god, it's really hard, to be honest. It's really interesting how much harder it makes it. Every interaction that you have on this track is harder. Every turn feels harder. The G's on the side of your body, your abdomen is it feels way harder. It's just, man, it's really hard. And then you get the extra weight just to slow you down. And then it's hey, if things aren't hard enough, how about I just add some weight to make all of your lap times slower than they should be? Another mistake by me. So yeah, it's been an interesting night. I'm kind of on house money. This is really just a challenge to see how well we can do with a weight vest on. Let's see if we survive, and we're surviving. It's a little tough, but we're surviving. I'm adjusting some driving grips that I do to make them a little less harsh on my body. Definitely driving in an interesting way at some points. Oh, and they turned off how many laps are left? That's funny. That's funny. I wonder if we're gonna hit lap traffic at some point. Oh, that was bad. That was bad. I'm starting to struggle a little bit, to be honest. I'm starting to struggle a little bit. The weight vest it's getting to me. Truth be told, when I thought of the idea of wearing a weight vest for the entire night, I did not expect to walk into an endurance night where we did 6 5-6 races, essentially back to back. Very little rest. So I probably picked the hardest possible time for me to decide to wear a weight vest. So I never said I was a smart man, all right? I never claimed that. I never claimed that. It is a tough one, my goodness, and I feel like we're gonna have more laps than we normally do because it's the main event. We were doing 12 laps for all of the endurance races before, but typically when we get into the main event, we add more laps to the race. So I feel like we probably got like 16 or something. I'm doing that so badly. Like, I'm literally getting tired. My arms are getting tired. And it is getting harder to turn properly. And it's not like I don't, like, work out. Like, I have stamina, I lift. Like, it's actually interesting how hard it is to drive like this. Oh, yep. Oh man, my forearms are on fire right now. My wrists are not happy. But I'm at least keeping up with Dennis. All right, last lap. Okay, good, last lap. Take me out of this misery. Let's go. Oh man, this has been a tough race. It has been very tough. But we did it, boys. We did it. We did a whole league night. Not just a league night, but an endurance league night with a weight vest on.
Honestly, even with how much punishment I went through throughout the night, it was still a great time. Turned out to be a great workout, too. It was really interesting to see how much just adding some weight can really change the dynamics of the kart and how you handle things. Definitely had to switch some stuff up, and by the end of the night, I was definitely feeling some different muscle groups than I am used to. I'm sure I'm going to end up doing it again because I am a masochist, apparently, and I'm sure we'll find a way to add some more weight to it, so it's even worse next time. Anyways, if you liked what you saw, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share it with your friends who like stupid things. Do whatever you want. Have a good one.